You always think it'll happen to someone else's family, never yours.
I was in the backyard, hanging laundry. The kids were playing.
She was just getting the seeds. She loved her garden.
You were so fast. My little boy, they just came and took him.
I was inside. I heard a scuffle. By the time I got to the door, she was just gone.
That was a dark night for me. They came back.
They grabbed my son, and I couldn't do anything.
They kidnapped my wife and I couldn't save her.
First, my brother from next door. Then, the rest.
I will never forgive them.
They took my whole family. Left. Nothing but an empty place.
How? How do you ask for justice for that?
We also deserve a life.